Start with removing the 3 T20 torque screws securing the steering column cover. Disconnect the lower half of the steering column cover. Remove the connector from behind the push to start button by pushing on the tab. Now we will connect the security gateway module T-harness. The module is located over here high above the gas pedal. You can get to it by bending down under the lower dash. You do not need to remove any more panels. There are 2 connectors at the module. We will be using the bigger one. Push the tab and disconnect the bigger connector. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's connector. Connect the T-harness back to the module. If you have trouble accessing the module, remove the lower dash. Disconnect the side panel. Remove the 2 torque screws. Remove the Phillips set screws underneath and remove. Feed the CAN connector through the opening and connect it to the security gateway module T-harness. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's ignition switch connector. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's ignition switch. You can secure the module in this opening over here.